unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. And a brand new entry this week, guys, at number 3. Only just played on Sunday's show. It's Sister Rose with King of Cabaret. This is an absolute tune. It reminds me very much of Gone Savage for some reason. I don't know whether they're related or they have the same genes or whatever, but it reminds me very much of Gone Savage. Gone Savage, unfortunately, didn't make entry to the top 20 this week. Again, probably too many mince pies, too much mulled wine, whatever you want to call it. But there you go. They took their eye off the ball just for a split bloody second, and they're fact. Anyway, number 3, non-mover. Sorry, new entry. Sister Rose, King of Cabaret. Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Big congratulations to Sister Rose there with the King of Cabaret. Their first week in association with Round Sound Radio. They went straight in at number 3. That's an achievement, lads. Well done, guys. Well done. Right, number 2 this week. It is up 7. It's in Terabang. Don't try. They are in number 2. They have taken this opportunity and they have seized it. Have a go with this.
We all just get along. Stereotyping people just ain't on. Most of the time they're all wrong. They're all wrong. They're all wrong. Just cause I've got a hat and a hood, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get mojo. I want to go on you from behind, or even rob the blind. That shit ain't right. Like kids being introduced to the crack pipe, not getting taught to read and write. The right's from wrong, but don't take long. That's gonna be a completely different song. This is about stereotyping people for real. It happens those days, yeah, it's real. Don't go robbing no one else's style. If you think it's new, then you're in denial. It's like you see now, you're fucking insane. Have you got a clock going to the vein in your brain?
Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
Call me a chav and I'll call you a prick. Call me a chav and then I say you're talking shit. Call me a chav, I say you've got it all wrong. Don't call me a chav, now correct me if I'm wrong. But saying me chav is as bad as being sexist or a crazy man being racist, making people feel alienated. It's this type of shit that make kids act like tits, bounce around getting ass with a kicks. It doesn't matter if you're a mosher or even a chav. All of those words are just as bad. Every time they said it makes people conform to attacking people for the clothes that I wore. Music they listen to, you're one of them and take a bang, say fuck you. Yeah, you say fuck you.
Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
Touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Sound Radio. So then, who is it? Who is our week's number 1? The first number 1 of 2016. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you a clue. It was the last number 1 of 2015. It's the Johns for a reason. Well in, lads.
If I could take you to a stage in my life where you wouldn't know where to go, then anyone else could tell you that they already know. Now I'm thinking how I'm gonna get so far, just scratching my own head, looking hopelessly at the ceiling as I'm lying in my bed. Again I keep on waiting for something good to just fall onto me, but I can't even bring myself to get off the settee. So I tell you why I'm like this every day, falling down the hole, but at least it's in my own way. 'Cause it's for a reason, at least I'm on my own. It's for a reason, I'd rather stay at home. Change the plans a little bit and now take myself on out to town, but I realise that I can't go 'cause I can't afford a round, and this job interview is a load of me ass 'cause the place is full of liars. So I ran my quickest started there 'cause the people were all tired. Turn the telly on and there's more knobheads running around acting the same. Oh, there's another silly nomad and he's desperate for fame. So I tell you why I'm like this every day, falling down my hole, but at least it's in my own way. It's for a reason, at least I'm on my own. It's for a reason, I'd rather stay at home. So if it's all like this, then I don't wanna change, I'd rather stay the same. I'll fade into oblivion, at least there is no shame. It's for a reason, at least I'm on my own. 'Cause it's for a reason, I'd rather stay at home.
And there you have it. The Johns are still holding the number one spot. They refuse to give in and they refuse to give up. Big well done to all the acts that have climbed tonight, and of course apologies to the acts that never made it, or to the acts that have dropped considerably. But you know, I don't make the rules. I just look at the stats, man, and I work from that. Absolutely nothing to do with me. As I say though, it's the Christmas season. It's so very easy to take your eye off the ball for a second, isn't it? You know, you might have even missed the post that I put up or anything like that. Shit happens. But as I say, getting into the charts next week will be considerably easier. You know, you send us an MP3, we'll play it on the Sunday, and you've got so much more chance of hitting into the top 20 from now on. It's a better plan, trust me. In 2 months' time we go, yeah, Doug, you're right, this is much better. Not only is it more fairer, but it's also more of an interesting show, because we were listening to the same songs over and over again there for a little bit, and it was even getting me a bit depressed and a bit insecure about my life. So not that they're not absolutely fucking brilliant tracks, but you know, change is good. Right, this is the plan of action. I'm going to play you one tune now by Cast called Live the Dream. Absolutely lovely tune. And then I'm going to come back with the last 6 acts from the top 26 that never quite made the show tonight. I'm going to play them tonight, and I'm also going to post out the links. These acts consist of Kesler, Billy Kelly, Killer Floor, Xander and the Peace Pirates, Sam Cooke and Poppy Holiday. These acts were very, very, very